Welcome viewers, I am Hari Petlu. We teach spoken English, referring our table for spoken English. It is in the PDF. You can see all the tenses in that sheet. There will be five lines in it. Those are the types of sentences only, which we use daily, and also the starting point of the sentences too. Everyone should speak using these starting points only. You can check it. So, take a print. You can speak straight away looking that sheet. Speak boldly. Send your doubts through comments and get the explanations. Like is a word. Now we shall speak using this word. Before that, understand it is a present tense verb V1. So, you can select V1, V2 new way to say the answer in our table for spoken English. There are 5 lines to use for I, we, you, they, etc. Plural subjects. In this heading, subject plus V1, SUB subject. First line is for positive sentence. You can say sentences like this using the word like. Subject plus V1, I like. Subject plus V1, I like to write. Subject plus V1, we like to be happy. Subject plus V1, you like coffee. Subject plus V1, they like music. Likewise, you can say sentences using the plural subjects. You will get the confidence. To learn the complete English language in this methodology, watch our videos regularly. Share it to your friends. Send your valuable comments. Good luck to all the viewers.